Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Mike Guitar back with another episode of Lesson. Okay, I want to shout out to my new subscribers, my old subscribers. I say thank you for tuning into the channel. Thank you for bringing me this far. I really appreciate. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate. Thank you for always commenting, for always liking. I do appreciate your comment. Okay. All right, guys. So for this video, I want to do a breakdown of Osendi Owendi, okay, by our legendary Osita Osadebe. I believe many of you know the song and many of you know the man as well. Maybe if you don't know the song, you can hit on the comment section. I'm going to refer you how to get the song, okay? And I've been having the comment on the comment section on my videos that I should make a breakdown of the intro and the soloing as well, okay? So if you know that this is the first time you're watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Turn the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this. Okay, guys, so if you know you want to be a member of my YouTube channel, I'd like you to join and subscribe, okay? As well, I'm going to give you some potential and some premium videos, okay, based on your challenges in your guitar playing, okay? And if you want to join my online WhatsApp class, okay, join with the number on the screen there. I'll get it sent to you, okay? So, okay, guys, so I'm going to use my acoustic. My electric guitar has some issues that I need to rectify, okay? Very soon, I'm going to rectify them, okay? So the financial issue, okay? So just want you to listen carefully, okay? Don't miss any part of this video so you don't miss out anything I'm going to show you, okay? Just listen carefully. Keep it so brief as I can, okay? So the intro of the song is that is the key of F, okay? Okay? F, okay? We have the do, fa, so, do. We have do, fa, so, do. We have another root do here. Okay, so the intro is the va mi re do la va. You hold your saw chord. So for advanced player, we can hold the full saw chord like this from the saw T. Okay, but for beginners, you can hold just from this 3 fret alone. Okay, adding your va to harmonize it. Okay, we play again. Fa mi re do la va. Okay. Okay, so do. Okay, you hold your do chord, your M chord. Okay, then you pick back that intro note, that note you play an intro, stuff like this. Okay, so you pick back the notes. Okay, make it with a kind of rhythm. A rhythm sound, something like this. Okay, so I pull on from the va and the mi. Okay. Okay. I hold my do chord. Va mi re do la va. You hold your saw chord. Va mi re do la va. You hold your do chord. So you play like that. You play like that repeatedly as the song might go. So for that solo intro part, it's like this. Okay, so let me break that down first. Okay, so this that solo part is some people hold it at one note like this. So, but I'm going to make it easy, okay, for you to understand. So the note there is so you slide from the sol to the la. Sol, la, va, sol. Okay, on the first string. Okay, you hammer on from the mi, fa, mi. Okay. Okay. Do, do, do. Mi, fa, mi, re, mi, do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Okay, so this is how it sounds. Do, 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 do. You go again. Again. So la fa sol mi fa re mi. Okay. Re mi do ti re ti do do do. Okay. Ti re ti do do do. Okay. Okay. Then you now play. Okay. Ti do re ti. Okay. Ti do re ti. Okay. So fa mi. Okay. Now you're not playing. Do re mi fa so. Do re mi. Okay. Do re mi fa so ti la ti do re. Okay. Okay. Sorry, just like moving your do re mi fa sol la ti do re do. Okay. So that is it. So you now you now play. You slide. Okay. You do a kind of slide to the mi from the re, that re to the mi. Okay. Then you now play. Va sol la ti do. Okay. Then you now play. Okay, because you have another interval here. You have another do interval here. Okay, so you just play the whole thing on this inversion, this do inversion on the key of F here. Okay, you play again. Okay, then you now play. Okay, from your root here, you have another interval of do here. Okay, you have another interval of do here. So you play from here. Okay, pick from down. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Okay, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Okay. now play till I saw. Okay, till I saw, till I saw. Okay. Till I saw, till I saw. Then I play la, la ti do re. Okay. La ti do re, la ti do re, la ti do re. La ti do re, do ti do mi. Okay. So mi do. Okay. Okay, so you now play so va sol la tila 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 vareti vareti. Okay. And you now play so tila so so. Then you slide from the va to the so. Your double string. You hold your do chord now. Okay. Then from there you play do ba so so ba do ba so 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 ba do ba so ba 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 do. Okay, you hold your notes. Okay, so that is it. Sorry about the guitar because I can't really play well with this acoustic, but I need to do the video. Okay, so wherever you don't understand, okay, I would like you to hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible. Okay, all right guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.